Hey guys, all right, so week 2, and we're gonna get your technique just a bit sharper and really start working on your punch combinations. How to get a sequence landing perfectly, right? That sounds good? Okay, let's go. Find some space, jump up, and let's start moving. I'm gonna set you up first of all in combat stance, so put your right foot forward. Remember, bend your knees, transfer your weight evenly from one foot to the other. Bring that back heel up, turn the hip just a little, boxing guard. Fingers down, thumbs on the outside, elbows in. Relax your shoulders. All right, we're off. Jab, straight up from the front arm. Jab, straight down the line, straight in front of you, nice and soft at the elbow. We're gonna bring around a cross. So we're gonna go jab, cross, a little 1-2 hit, as I like to call it, a little 1-2. Jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. All right, try it again, 4 in a row. Exhale, exhale, exhale. As you exhale, you force the air out of your lungs and a little bit of a pop at the end of your punch, keeping the elbows nice and soft. That's a 2 hit. Let's go for 3 hits. We're gonna go right, right, or jab, cross, hook off the front arm. What happened with my foot? Lifted the heel, turned the hip. Try it with me. Jab, cross, hook off the front arm. 90 degrees, circular punch, coming around from the guard, back to the guard. 3 hits. Let's do 4 reps of that. Jab, cross, hook. Let's go. Jab, cross, hook. Now, did you notice that that heel, by turning, it gives you that rotation? No? Okay, well, let's try it again. Jab, cross, hook. There it is, jab, cross, hook. Jab, cross, hook. One more time. Wanna try it on the other side? Left foot forward. Bend your knees, transfer the weight, back heel up, hips forward. Boxing guard, fingers, thumbs, elbows. It just becomes a habit, yeah? So the more you think about it, the more it becomes a habit, the less you need to think about it. Jab, cross, hook. Front, back, front, left, right, left, right, left. Circular punch, releasing the heel. Lifting the elbow, as Dan talked about, that wrist watch right in front of your face, just under your nose. Jab, cross, hook. 4 reps. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Does it help to exhale? Yes, it does. As you exhale, you add that little bit of pop in there. 2 more reps. All right, good job. So what happens if we put this with another move? Single knee off the back leg. Now the knee comes straight up the middle, heel to butt, hips forwards, shoulders back, abs braced, striking upwards and forwards. So from combat stance, hands go forward, driving the knee up. So you've seen the elbow go past the rib, bang, boxing guard, bang. So try it with me. Put your left foot forward, combat stance, pick up the back leg, drive the knee forwards. Let's go 4 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what do you feel now? Do you feel your core working a little bit more? That's because you're pulling hard. So think about pulling and driving the knee up, and then make them both work together. That's the air being forced out of my lungs as my abs contract. Switch stance. Back knee again. Bend your knees, transfer the weight, back heel off the floor, boxing guard. Good to go. Try the back knee, 4 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna put it together. Jab, cross, hook, back knee. Right foot forward, right, left, right. Jab, cross, hook, reach, pull. Switch stance. Jab, cross, hook, jab, cross, hook, back knee. Good job. Do you know what? I think we should probably do this to the music. I feel like we've got the combo. Let's bring up some music and let's start to think about moving with this combo to the music. The music will really motivate you to try a little bit harder, to push a little bit further, to think about letting go a little bit more. Combat stance, boxing guard. Fingers down, thumbs on the outside, elbows in. Relax your shoulders. Jab, cross, hook. Back knee. Jab, cross, hook, back knee. All right, let's try a little bit faster. Jab, cross, hook, knee. It feels good, doesn't it? Once you get that beat in there, suddenly something starts to flow. 4 more. How about reaching your hands up a little bit higher? A little bit of a hop in there. I'm gonna give you 1 more rep and then we're gonna change stance. Left foot forward, jab, cross, hook. Knee, hold up. Did we just switch stance? Yeah, we did. And the ability to change stance just at the drop of a hat like that increases your agility, tests your reactions. And I know your heart rate's coming up. As you put your hands up in the air, reach and pull. 1 more time, switch stance. Right foot forward, let's go 4 reps. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Left foot forward. Jab, cross, hook. Look at you. 3 more. 2 more. Come on, you got this. 1 more. And time. All right, relax, shake off those shoulders. So breaking it down, doing 8 reps, 4 reps, 4 reps, 1 combo. Really putting it into your body so that you start to own that combo. That combo isn't just happening. You own it, you're throwing those punches, you're pulling with the arms, driving with the knee, engaging the core, and reacting and responding by switching stance. Fantastic. That was combo number 1. How do you feel about trying another combo? Let's put some elbows in there. Let's really shake things up a little bit. Let's go with 2 new moves. The first move I'm gonna teach you is the descending elbow. So this is a Muay Thai move. Hands up a little bit higher, elbows out a little bit wider. Now you're gonna take the front arm and you're gonna relax the hand. You're gonna lift the elbow up to the side. Now you're gonna draw a diagonal line from the corner down, using this part of the elbow, striking right down from the corner to the bottom corner, from the top to the bottom. So visualize that line right down the middle of the box in front of you. This is your descending elbow. If there was a boxing bag in front of you, you'd be thinking about slicing through it. The descending elbow, using this part of the elbow, top to bottom. Try it. Let's go 4 reps. 4, 3. What's happening downstairs? As I lift the heel, turn the hip, I crunch through the core. So this is my abdominals again. Here's your theme, guys. Whatever throw, whatever punch you throw, whatever kick you throw, all comes from the core. This is a great one for it. Power down. 2 more. Okay, the descent, switch stance. Hands up a little bit higher. What's the first thing you do? Lift the elbow out, relax the hand, come up to the top corner of the box, draw the line down to the bottom. Draw that line with the elbow. Aim for the middle of the bag and slice. Now bring the crunch. 2 more. I know, the first time you do it, you're like, what is this? Last one, switch stance. It's a new move. You just gotta put yourself in there and throw yourself around, do it. Ready? Drop the elbow, descending elbow. As it descends down and crunches through the core. 2 more. 1 more. Switch stance. Does it feel better on one arm than the other? I definitely have a favorite side. The other hand stays up nice and high. This is your guard. So as you release one hand, you cover up with the other side. It's a little tip. 1 more time. Right, that's the descending elbow. Now we're gonna add the forward elbow. See this part of your arm? This is what you're gonna strike with, and you're gonna push forwards. I'm gonna turn to the side and show you what that looks like. That's where I'm striking, right in front of me. Across the chest, I make a fist, and I'm striking with this. So I'm gonna push my weight forwards, bending the knees, and transferring my body weight from the back foot to the front foot, and then out the arm. That forward elbow is a punching, heavy move. The muscles I use are the chest, the upper back, triceps, biceps, forearm. It's quite a tough move. It's a great little move. Okay, so put your right foot forward, boxing guard. Take the front arm, the fist to the shoulder, drop it just a little, turn the body, line yourself up, and drive forwards. Dan uses the example of the donkey kick for the back kick. This is kind of like you're trying to like get your way to the front of the cue, but in a polite way. Forward elbow, forward elbow. Feel that pop. Let's do 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch stance, left foot forward. Set yourself up. Good stance, boxing guard. Line up the elbow, drop the fist across the chest. Line up the back of the arm, punch it forwards, punch it forwards, punch it forwards, transferring your weight forwards. Squeeze the muscles of the chest and the upper back. Let's try 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. I know, elbows are weird. They definitely are not the simplest of moves, but it's like riding a bike. Once you learn, you don't unlearn. It's just there for life. Okay, let's put those two moves together. Descend. That's the top corner to the bottom corner. Now your elbow's in the right place for a forward elbow. Forward elbow. Let's do 4 reps. Down, forward, reset. Down, forward, reset. Are you using your abs? Are you crunching? One more rep. All right, switch stance. Other side. Descend, forward elbow. Hands up nice and high, descend. 3 more reps. 2 more reps. 1 more rep. Good job. We've got 2 wicked elbows. The finishing move is the roundhouse kick. Set your back heel. Get your balance. Tuck your fist into your rib cage. Pull your head away, lean away, aim with the shin. Open and close. Now the arm can be used for balance. My knee, my hip, my shoulder, and my heel are all in one line, open and close. Really working the core, really working the glutes. Let's put it together. Descend, forward elbow. Descend, forward elbow, transfer the weight forwards. Now bring the heel under the body. Extend, kick, reset. Descend, forward. Roundhouse kick. Let's do 4 times. Descend, forward. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Good job. Want to change sides? Maybe this is your best side. Ooh. I know what you're feeling. You're feeling pretty tricky now. I know. It's good. It looks good. It does. It looks good. Once you conquer these moves. Hands up. Descend. Forward elbow. Set your heel. Balance. Roundhouse kick. And again. Get control of that kick. Add some crunch to those elbows. Use those abs. 1 more. All right, let's put some music on. Let's do it now with the music. Let's put these combos to the test. Get some beats behind this. Right foot forward. Combat stance. Bend your knees. Let's go slow. Descend. Forward. Roundhouse. A little faster. And again. Descend. We've got 8 reps on this side. Good news is, that's nearly halfway. That rep is halfway. 4 more times. So right now, you're getting that crunch in the upper body. Now you're getting the glutes coming into the game. Squeeze in the heel. Drive one more time. Time, switch stance. How's that? Let's go on the other side. Shake it off. Move a little. Ooh, let's get nimble. Let's go slow. Forward elbow, set the heel. Ready? 8 reps. Control, hey. Can you feel the muscles across your chest on that forward elbow? 8 reps, good news. Halfway there, and again. 3 more. Point your toe and bring the heel back to the glutes. Really work the hamstrings. 1 more. Switch stance. Good job. I think we're gonna play a game. We're gonna do 2 reps on this side, 2 reps on that side. Let's go. 1 more. Switch stance. Go. Wait. Ready, switch stance. Now what comes with confidence is competence. Switch stance. One more. The competence to switch stance and feel like you're all over this combo. One more time, one more time. Good job. 2 sweet little combos. 1 boxing, kickboxing, 1 Muay Thai related. That's what we do. We start to challenge you as we mix the upper body and the lower body, making sure that the core is ready to fire every single punch. Good work.